A dating app is like a lottery. Who will you get? Rhonda! What a hottie! That's my crush. We met on Tinder. Girls, let's go, Rhonda. She's a loser. What? I'll find a perfect crush for myself, too. Your crush can show up in an elevator, too. Whoa! Hi. Enjoy your ride. Could you tell me what time it is? What? Are we stuck? Oh no! We're gonna die! Help! I'm claustrophobic! We're gonna suffocate! Nah, we're all right. Phew! I'm finally full. It was great! Bring me the check. I loved it too. Here's your order. And now let's count. Your half is $39.83. Are you an accountant or what? I'll count it again. It's all correct. Here's your change. It was a lovely date, right? Hi! Hi, Alice. You look good. I'm so happy you are here with me. Whoops! Sorry. Bad burrito. I'll be right back. Susie, I'm sorry it took so long. Did you order anything? The pasta is good here. Whoops! I'll be right back. Alice, I feel better. Let's drink to our date. Sorry. Nature calls. Susie, where were we? Let's drink. Where's he going? Can I have the check? I'll look for Sean. So here's your bad burrito. Cheater! Double cheater! Whoops! It didn't work. You can find a crush at a gym. Look at these strong and manly guys. Whoa! Hi, do you need help? Yeah! Oops. It was an accident. Another try. Hi, can you teach me how to box? Sure. Punch forward and hard. Got it? Go ahead. Hey, where'd you… Whoops! The workout is over. Here comes the perfect moment for a kiss. Unless your crush is a dentist. Open your mouth wide. I see cavities. Nah, I was wrong. You have great molars. Namaste. Hiya! I'm Sean Lee. Nice to meet you. Oh, here's the menu. Thanks. Alice, pick something. Whoa! What a strong table. But Sean Lee will beat you. My classic one-hand strike. Ouch! One down. I'll pick you up at 6. I'll be in a red BMW. Whoa! That's my dream car. I'm getting ready. What dress do I wear? Red! So I'll match the car. I'm coming to you, my prince on a red BMW. Hi, baby. I'm in a BMW. Need a ride? This isn't the BMW I was hoping for. You can even find a crush at a store. Oh, this guy is so stylish. Hi, are you a model? What's up? I'm Fawn. I think you're so cute. Cupid is pranking me. It was a lovely first date. Until his phone rang. Who is it? Don't worry about it. Is that your girlfriend? Cheater! Hi, baby. I like this security guard. I'll try to get his attention. Look, I'm hiding soda in my pocket. It's against the rules. Yeah, coming. What? What if I steal cookies too? Would you arrest me then? I give up. Search me. You can go. The detector is broken. Don't worry. Fine. Take everything back. Oh, I like this store employee. Hi. Can you pick out a dress for me? Here, try this on. Oh, I'd like something more revealing. Of course. Then try this one. Wow. There's a changing room. Thank you. Good afternoon. How can I help you? Do you have another size? Sorry, we don't. What? My crush is flirting with another client? How dare he? That's it. I'm not buying anything from you, cheater. Where is he? Running late? Hello. What's up? Oh, a menu. Thanks. Hold on. Let's see. I'm never getting out of here. I need a distraction. Whoops! I'll get it. Your fork. You can find a crush at work. Whoa! My dream guy. Hey, where are you going? I need to keep him here. Fly, Cookie! Sir, wait! You didn't pay for the cookie. Yeah! Bring it back to the cash register. Police! There's a shoplifter! Take him to jail! Whoops! I love Jimin! Here's a like for you. What? Ah! He liked me back! This is the best day of my life! Can we meet? Tomorrow at a cafe. I'm on top of the world! Ouch! Here you are! Hi! Do you want an autograph? Okay. Done! Next! Oh, we love you! Can we take a selfie? That's my crush! No, he's our crush! Levi, I feel a connection between us. I do too, Alice. Here are your drinks. Rhonda, hold on. We shouldn't have broken up. Being together was great, remember? I still love you. Will you forgive me? Yes, I love you too. We're going to Vegas. What about... Here's your check. And I have to pay. Bad luck. PE class. Guys, there's Alice. We need to get her attention. Whoa! These nerds are the clumsiest athletes in the world. I gotta film this for TikTok. Somebody help! Okay, Andy. I'll save you. I don't want you to choke. Wow! This is the best day of my life. Oh, Alice! Save us too! We're dying! Boys. Suffer without me. Did you like our crush search? Then comment below and tell us what awkward situations have happened to you on dates. And don't forget to give this video a like, subscribe to our channel, and click the bell so you don't miss any hilarious new videos from Troom.